Track changes you care about in design collaboration. Now, design and construction teams can monitor changes to elements of the Revit model most important to you by creating watch groups in the Changes tool. Using watch groups, teams will get automatically notified when items in those watch groups change throughout the project. To add items or models to watch groups, click the Changes tool. Click the New Watch Group button, then select the project team and model you want to watch. Select or search for the specific items you need to monitor, or even select the whole model if you'd like. You can also explore the model to visualize the areas you want to watch for changes. Enter a name for your watch group, then hit Save. Now, when items in your watch group are changed, you'll see a notification on the home page of the Design Collaboration module. Click on Show Me, then your watch group name, to see what's been added, removed, or modified. Teams can save time and work smarter by removing the need to manually query the model. Team leads can get automatic alerts when unexpected changes are made to watch groups that directly affect their design. All of this can help reduce risk and improve model quality. You can read more about this feature in our help content.